Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back to Curries to Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make quesadilla, which is a Mexican dish. We'll do 3 variations of quesadilla, so let's begin with the recipe. These are the ingredients you would require to make quesadilla. I'm making 3 different variations, so I have taken 3 rotis. We'll do quesadilla with leftover rotis. I have some chicken. I have chopped capsicum and kept. We need eggs, some shredded mozzarella cheese and some sprouts. So the first recipe is veg quesadilla. Onto a pan or tawa, place a roti and towards one side on one half, spread the vegetables. You can use any vegetable. I have used capsicum over here. Now season this capsicum with salt, chaat masala and pepper powder. Spread a generous amount of cheese. For more information, don't forget to check the description box below. And for more such amazing recipes, stay tuned. And now fold this like a book. Gently press it. Cover it with a lid and cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now gently flip this and cook on the other side too. Sorry, I'm trying to throw the vegetables inside which have fallen down. Okay, now put the lid and cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes on the other side too. Once it's done, transfer it to a cutting board and slice it down. I'm slicing it into triangles. And that's it, your veg quesadilla is done. Let's check the second recipe, which is chicken quesadilla. Now for this, take 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Whisk it nicely. Now pour this mixture onto a pan or tawa. Basically, we are making an omelette first. Once it's 50% done, add some cheese and place a roti over this and gently press it. Now cover it with a lid and cook on low heat for about a minute or 2. Gently release the edges and flip it. Uh-oh, I think my non-stick pan is not working. I should have added some oil in the beginning. Okay, anyway, once you flip it, add chicken onto one side. Now spread a generous amount of cheese. The chicken which I have used is leftover chicken, so I have taken out the chicken pieces and chopped it into smaller chunks so that I can stuff it inside the quesadilla. Fold this quesadilla like a book. Gently press it. Cover it with a lid and cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the cheese starts to melt, gently flip it and cook on the other side too. Press it gently and cover it and cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer this onto a cutting board and slice it down. And that's it, chicken quesadilla is ready. Let's see the third recipe, which is made with sprouts. Whenever adults or children, anybody don't eat sprouts, this is the best way to make them eat sprouts. So now I'm spreading some oil so that the omelette releases quickly. Onto this, pour the same egg mixture which we have prepared for chicken quesadilla. Once it's 50% done, add some cheese and then place a roti over this and gently press it. Cook this on low heat for about a minute or 2. And when it's done, gently release it and flip it. Apply 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. Here I have used pizza and pasta sauce. Add some sprouts towards 1/2 of the quesadilla. I have some capsicum leftovers, so I'm adding those too. Now spread a generous amount of cheese and fold this like a book. Gently press it and cover it with a lid and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. In between, flip it around and cook on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Once it's done, transfer to a cutting board and slice it down. And that's it, your sprouts quesadilla is ready. These are very versatile recipes. You can stuff anything into this. It's damn easy that you can make it with your leftover rotis. So you can do any variations of this and the kids will love it. So do make this at home and let me know your experience in the description box below. Also, sharing is caring. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.